there was a meeting today at the Senate for the Senate Public Accounts Committee, where Nairobi County Governor Evans Kidero and Nairobi County Senator Mike Sonko were all present, and it got physical after the two got into an altercation. Probably blows and kicks were also involved, but we will be trying to get you more information on the same by talking or speaking to our reporter Patrick Amimo, who was present, to just tell us what is happening. A discussion that is still on the social media on what might have happened between those two leaders, and members of the fourth estate were also thrown outside, asked to leave as the altercation continued between the Nairobi governor and senator.